In this video, we will review how to use the email and text features in Navigate. Please note, for confidentiality purposes, the names and ID numbers of our students have been removed. To send an email or text to an individual student, log into your Navigate account and locate the quick search menu at the top of the home page. Type in the name or student ID number of the student that you would like to contact. On the next screen, you will see the student's profile. On the right-hand side of the screen, under Staff Alerts, select Message Student from the list of options. An email dialog box will appear with the student's name already populated. Fill in the subject line and message. You will also see that you have the option to attach documents and share this email with others by typing their email address in the email notifications box. After you are finished writing your email, click the blue box that says Send Message. Email messages are automatically sent to the student's Rowan-Cabarrus email account. To send a text message instead, click on Send Text. Type in your message and then click Send Message. Please note that text messages are limited to 160 characters. Text messages are sent to the phone number that the student provided when completing their application for admission.